Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. Now, this recipe I was inspired by my mother, who follows a keto diet, or at least did at some point. I don't know if she will continue to when you're watching this, but at some point she was following keto. So that's one reason I wanted to make a keto bread. The other reason is because I went to the store the other day and I looked in the baking aisle and there was absolutely zero flour. Because a lot of our wheat comes from the Ukraine, and because of the war in the Ukraine, that we here in Germany don't have very much flour. It's very much become a hot commodity at the moment. So I thought I'd make a bread that did not require flour, at least not wheat flour, and see how it goes. So I hope that you enjoy the recipe today. Let's get started.
Unusual ingredients for bread. We need 1 cup or 100 grams of almond flour, 1/3 cup or 40 grams of coconut flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon sea salt, 1 tablespoon artificial sweetener, 1/3 cup or 80 grams of melted butter, 12 egg whites. First, combine all the dry ingredients and whisk them together. Next, separate your eggs. We're only using egg whites today. Whip the egg whites to stiff peaks. Gently fold the dry ingredients and the melted butter until fully combined. Pour the batter into a greased and lined bread form. Spread the batter around until it forms into a loaf. It won't rise much, so this is what it will look like when it's done. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius, uncovered for 40 minutes and covered for another 40. You will know it's done when you touch the top and it doesn't make a sound. Make sure it's completely done or it won't be nice to eat. Remove from oven, loosen from the form. The consistency of this bread is quite nice. It's soft and white, feels like bread when you touch it. Now it's time for full disclosure. I did not care for the taste at all. That being said, I've never followed keto, so it might just be the fact that I'm used to regular bread. So I would love to hear the opinion of someone who does follow keto if they enjoyed it. I've been told this kind of keto bread is great for sandwiches. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeryingermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.